Cellphone, everyone! May pilaro kayong ganito sa phone niyo. 1, si number 1 ang sasagot ng question ko. Pag tinawag ko si number 2, also ganun pa rin, tatawag ako ng number. Tandaan nyo, always yung number nyo po, ha? Okay po ba? Okay, thank you po. So, as you can see, may crosswords dito na sasagutan. And then, tatawag ko ng 2, 4, 5 students na mag-answer dito. Okay po ba yun? Okay, number lang yung tatawagin ko, ha? Number 8. Sino si number 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, 8. So, first word is say. So, can you answer it first? I see. So, first is, what's your name? Okay, Miss Washi, can you answer? First word is say. Thank you so much. You can line or okay, thank you. And the next number is
Excuse me for a while. Saan yung participants natin for storytelling?
thank you, ma'am. Next number is 12. Second word is so easy. Yes, very good. And what is your name, sir? Thank you, sir. And next is helping word. Number 4. Thank you. And your Miss Daniela. The next word is peaceful. Number 20. 20. Peaceful. Okay, thank you, Miss Jamie. So, round of applause go at So, as you can see, tama si Min. Washi. Tama ang say. May click pa. Harmless pa pala. Give me a number, Sir Alvarez.
11.
11.
I'm not gonna sure this.
Sharpness. So, word na ano na natin yung word na safe. Check. Word na clean. Check. Healthy. And harmless and peaceful. So, as you can see, sa mga words natin, ano na naiisip natin sa mga words na ganito? Yes, environment. Very good. Next, another.
hours or 3 hours.
3 hours. Anyone? Thank you, sir. Anyone? Here from the class. Kung hindi, tatawag talaga ako ng number kung ayaw niyo sumagot. Naisip niyo, how this school to be important? Ano nga ba to? Number 9? Number 9.
Wait.
Yes, anything goes about sa words na to or ano nga ba?
No.
Naiisip ko about dito sa school community environment.
Listening to the teacher conference.
From the word school. Kasi syempre nasa school tayo. From the word school and community environment.
Everything is peaceful. There's no fighting stuff.
Very good, very good. Thank you, sir. Next, another hand. Another answer. Yes? Yes, thank you. Thank you. Tama lahat ng mga answers niya, no? So, a healthy school and community environment, having a safe, a clean, and well-maintained school will give a positive climate to the pupils and staff of the school, ensure safety access to healthcare and opportunities of growth. So, tama lahat ng answers niya, no? Safe, clean. Naglilinis ba kayo dito sa loob ng school niyo? Yes, very good. And, as you can see, positive climate to the pupils, hindi lang sa pupils, hindi lang sa mga students here, and also sa teachers natin, sa mga staff sa school. Diba? Tama ba? Yes, magbulan. Magbawa ang kapaligiran. Magkalabok. When after magkalabok, anong yes? Dengue. And after sa magka-dengue? Matay. Absent 7 weeks. 7 weeks. 7 days. 7 days.
7 years. 7 centuries.
Ay, grabe. Sa hospitals, di ba? Sasakit ang ulo ni mother and yung teacher kasi absent si ano, ma'am. Bakit absent si ano? Bakit absent si ano, ma'am? Kasi po, teacher, ano, nakakagat po siya ng lamok, nagka-dengue, nasa hospital po. Low grades. Tama? No score. Bagsak.
No perfect attendance.
Hindi mag-graduate. Hala, 86 pa naman tayo.
Below 85.
Below 85.
Hospital
Hospital bills.
Insurance cannot cover the
Hala, insurance cannot cover. Depression kasi.
Walang friend yan.
Wala nang friends. Wala na yan. Ano pa? Okay, tama lahat ng sinasabi.
Kaso ako buildings na dun siya.
So sa inyo, as a student, no, na grade 6, kailangan mo talaga mag-ibig ng community. Baba. Yes. Why? I know. Why? Yes. Different and pass it to the next person. Yeah, answer lang. Why?
Why?
Kailangan ba na healthy ang community natin?
Yes.
Why?
So healthy.
So healthy. Why? Number 2. Oh. Bakit? Bakit dapat i-tell ng community natin? Bakit nga ba? Bakit? Yes? Yes, para di magkasakit ang mga tao. Anyone ka? Bakit nga ba talaga? Sa likod. Bakit?
No bacteria.
No bacteria? No bacteria para sa
Here.
germs. No bacteria, germs. Anyone, sir? Bakit? Bakit? Kailangan maging healthy ang community.
Why is it unhealthy? Why is it from people?
Yes, revolution. Yes.
Water bed.
Sige, next. Sino ka? Bakit nga ba? Kung hindi lang sa community, saan ba yung kailangan natin dapat na maging malinis? School. Side house. Ano ba? Yes. Sa house. Yes, mag-work ang mama kay? Naglinis. Sa school, sa room. Tama? Sa kwarto, kinsa yung naglilinis sa kwarto? Sino naglilinis sa kwarto dito?
I sometimes clean my room.
Sometimes.
When I'm in the mood for it.
Good. Yes.
And I'm not in the mood to
Siyempre,
clean.
pag tayo ay pagod, siyempre, diba? Pag pagod tayo sa school papers, sa school work, sa mga assignments natin, siyempre, sa ano yung ginagawa natin, ang dapat, listen, sa mga ginagawa natin ang dapat, siyempre, diba, na kailangan natin maging Diba? Nag-listen kayo. Wala ko, sorry, sorry. So, kapag naglilinis tayo, kailangan din natin. After paglinis natin is, kailangan natin maligo. Diba? Kasi pag hindi tayo maliligo, ano mangyayari sa health natin? Magkasakit. Then, magkabaho.
Lots of surrounding events.
Yes, sir?
When you don't shower for a long time, it's like flies around you.
Oh, yes, of course.
Green overall.
The next is,
I'm
kung may good physical environment. Kung may good physical sa ating self, may good physical environment din tayo. So, ano nga ang nandito sa good physical environment? Can you read all, guys? Safe place, clean, big space, activity, accessible to school, hospitals, other public facilities. Siyempre, pag good physical environment, madali tayo maka-access sa mga school, sa hospitals, and other public facilities. Anyone, can you give me some other accessible facilities? Yes, sir? Another. Mall. Okay. Park. Mga facilities na other public facilities na ma-access if we have a good physical environment. Beach. Gyms. It could be. Thank you, sir. Public bathroom. Public bathroom. Pwede naman. Anyone here? Kasi lagi sila yung nag-alternate. Dito naman tayo.
Yes.
Yeah, beaches. Mga beach resort. Okay. Yes, you. Tam. Other facilities ng public. Na physical environment na meron ito. Resort. Pwede din. Diba? Another. Yes, restaurants. Another hand. Yes, ay, sige. Gas station. Okay na natin. So, pag dito is activities, big space. Kagaya ng mga dito, sa mga activity natin din sa school. Good physical environment, hindi lang natin nakita sa labas. Nakikita din natin dito sa loob ng school. Mga buildings natin, diba? Mga cafeteria, mga clinic natin, diba? Madali tayo maka-access kasi nga, we have a good physical environment. Good. And then the next one is characteristics of a good psychosocial environment. From the word social, ano naiisip nyo?
Therapy.
Therapy? Pwede naman, pwede.
Mental hospital.
Mental hospital. Yes? Churches. So, pwede naman. Okay. Other hand, number 2. Number 2. Yes. Yes, ako. Good. So, other hand naman. Yung nasa back. Yes, yung nasa back. From the
you can call me Teacher Christian. So since teacher are talk about the healthy school and community environment, and now I am going to present an activity to you. But first, let me do a short review. So, healthy school and community environment is have a clean and safety environment here in school and also in our community. Para iwas sakit sa ating pamilya, di ba? Yes ba? Yes. So now, let's have an activity. So since nalang mo yung mga notebook, or do you have any 1/2 sheet of paper?
1/4 lang po.
1/4? Okay. So okay na 1/4. So we have a two part of activity. First part is this. So insert the words or phrases that describe a healthy school community. Write it on 1/4. 1/4 sheet of paper. So don't forget to write your name and date today. Since 1/4 lang yan, you can write the words or phrases that describe healthy. So, huwag nyo lang i-insert here, write nyo na lang yung describe as a healthy environment, healthy school environment. Okay, tapos na ba lahat? Okay. Let's check. So, first, busy. So, nakakatulong ba yan sa ating healthy environment? Hindi. Second one is infested with pests. Alam niyo yung pest? Yan yung nakikita niyo sa mga bahay. For example, ipis. Yes. So, nakakatulong ba yan? Nag-describe yan as a healthy school environment? Second is proper trash bin. Yes. Clean. Yes. Organized. Yes. So harsh trash everywhere. Hindi. Kasi merong mga basura sa kahit kung saan, di ba? So hindi yan nakatulong sa ating healthy school environment at sa ating community. Safe. Describe ba? People are harmful. Okay. So, last one is big space for playing. Yes. So, count the number of correct. Okay. So, Ma'am Ara talked about a healthy school and community environment is a place where people feel safe, supported, and cared for. So, that is a healthy school environment. So, dapat tayo ay feel natin dito sa ating school is feel natin safe and supported and cared para hindi tayo magkasakit kahit anong diseases. Diba? And the last, it encourages good health and positive relationship and equal opportunities for everyone to grow and succeed. So, now let's talk about the last activity. So, at the back of your 1/4, check the sentence that shows a good psychosocial environment. Write it on your back of your 1/4. So number 1, the people are cold towards each other. So nag-show ba yan as a good psychosocial environment? No. So second one, abuse and discrimination do not exist within the community. Yung walang mga abuse at saka discrimination, yung walang bully sa ating community, nag-exist ba yan dito sa atin? Hindi. Meron bang bully at abuse po dito? So it shows a good psychosocial environment? Hindi. So just check. If you don't understand, just check a sentence if it shows a good psychosocial environment. So ano nga yung psychosocial? Kanina yung sabi ni Teacher Ara. So let's back. So as a good psychosocial environment is people are welcoming. Second one is healthy relationship of the community. And the third one is abuse and discrimination are not tolerated. So our people is, are you welcoming ba? For example, you are welcoming your teacher before start of classes. Second one is healthy relationship of the community. So that is a psychosocial environment. So this abuse and discrimination do not exist in the community. That is a good psychosocial environment. No. So write check and check X and check if that is a good psychosocial environment.
Rapo diri oy.
So, tapos na ba lahat? So, let's check. So, number one, the people are called to watch each other. It shows a good psychosocial environment or no? No. Second one, abuse and discrimination do not exist within the community. It shows a psychosocial community? No. Yes, because abuse and discrimination did not exist in their community. So walang abuse and discrimination sa kanilang community or dito sa school. So it shows a good psychosocial environment. So third one is the unity is evident among the members of the community. It shows? Yes, it shows. So we have to be unite each other. And number four is people are sad and depressed. No. Very good. So the last one is people do not like to encourage in community activities. It shows? No, kasi hindi nila ini-encourage yung mga people nila to participate in activity in their community. So, hindi siya nakikita as a good psychosocial environment. Understand? Okay. So, count the correct. Oh. Okay, very good. So here, as a good psychosocial environment is a place where feel cared for safe and respected to our community. So it encourages kindness, good communication, and help everyone to feel like they belong and handle life's challenges. So as a good psychosocial environment is dapat na-feel ng mga tao na feel safe sila. So are you feel safe here in our school? Yes. Are you feel safe or no? Are you feel safe or no? Just be honest. Are you feel safe or no? Yes. Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you feel cared ba dito sa ating? Hindi. So 50-50. So feel safe and meron na hindi. So are you feel respected here in our school? Yes, very good. So that is encourage the student to be kindness and have good communication and help everyone. You feel belong and handle life challenges. So what is a healthy school and community environment? So, healthy school and community environment is a safe and clean in our surroundings, right? So para maiwasan natin yung mga sakit, para maiwasan natin yung di tayo nag-absent, di ba? Kasi kapag hindi malinis yung ating kapaligiran, dyan nagbubunga ang mga sakit. Dyan yung, kanina, example nyo, dengue, di ba? So as a responsible student, so you have to be clean inside or outside of your classroom. So that is an example of healthy school and community environment. So here in UM, as a whole UM, this is a healthy community or not? So UM is safe and clean. So everyone is respected, everyone is cared and kindness. So that is an example of a healthy school and community environment. So in conclusion, a healthy school and community environment is essential for us because it will be a success of our individuals and it provides safety, support, and opportunities for us to grow as a student. Yes? growth and fostering our positive relationship and sense of belonging for everyone. So remember, please read. So remember,
A healthy school and community environment nurtures growth, well-being, and success for everyone.
very good. So that is all. So first, in class, so we have an assignment for you. Okay lang ba? Kasi parang nakarinig na kayo ng assignment yung nag-iba yung mga mukha niya. So okay lang ba? Okay.
Okay lang. Okay lang po? Opo. So, at na-understand nyo naman yung topic na...
Hi, but first, do you have any question about healthy school and community environment? So you understand?
Yes.
So I have a question. Since you understand community and healthy school environment, so what is an example of a healthy school and community environment? Just give me one example. Anyone? Yes.
Comfortable living conditions.
Yes. Another? Very good. Clean. Yes. Another one. Yes, perfect. Safe. Another one. So do you have any? Yes, next. Peaceful.
Learning to know trust everyone.
Yes, very good.
Safety.
Safety. Yes. Yes. Yes, very good. Yes, ate. Positive energy. So say, yes, ate. What? Welcoming. So very good. Since you understand a healthy school and community environment, so now we have a assignment.
Ready na sa assignment? Everyone?
So write an essay evaluating the what you've learned about this healthy and community environment in its characteristics. So in your own way, how can you keep your environment clean? So assignment lang po yan.
Excited sa assignment, guys? Ate Kuya? Excited sa assignment? Kahit sa notebook na lang.
Sure? Excited? Okay. Nakasulat na lahat? Okay. So are you sure you don't have any question? So naintindihan naman lahat ng sinabi namin? Okay. So that is all for today, and thank you for listening. And okay, so may ibigay daw si Ma'am at si Teacher Ara sa inyong lahat. Isa lang sa tapos. Balik ka na lang. Okay, first question. Give me a good characteristic of a physical environment. Good characteristic of a physical environment. Give me a number.
6.
6. Okay, give me one. Give me one example of a good characteristic of physical environment. Big space. Malapit, malapit. So anyone?
Me.
So give me a number. Ate.
Give me a number.
Give me a number. Lord.
7.
7. So we'll start from you.
1, 2, 3,
5, 6, 7. So give me a good characteristic of physical environment. So, anyone?
Big, ano yung answer niyo po? Well maintained.
Okay. So, anyone? Yes, Kuya. Safe place, very good. Safe place. So, a characteristic of a good physical environment is a safe place, clean, big space activity, accessible to school, hospitals, big space po, hospitals and other public facilities. So, second, give me a characteristic of a good psychosocial environment.
Another hand.
Yes. People welcoming. Another one. Give me another. Yes, okay. Yes, very good. So in good psychosocial environment, it has people are welcoming, healthy school relationship with the community, and abuse and discrimination are not tolerated. So last, give me a characteristic of a healthy school and community environment. Yes, give me a number. Give me a number. Give me a number. Three. Start. 1, 2, 3. Let's pause it. Give me an example of a characteristic of a good, healthy school and community environment.
The environment is clean and safe.
Clean and safe, so very good.
Thank you.
So anyone can give me
Number. Tanungin mo si ate.
just give me a number. 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ikaw ate, give me a good example. Give me a characteristic. Okay, good, healthy school and environment. Clean? Tapos na po yung clean. So, I test.
Harmless po.
What?
Harmless.
Harmless? No?
Positive environment energy.
Positive? No? So, a healthy school and community, So, it has, let's talk about structures. Structure. So, anyone? Yes?
Me?
Yes.
Ikaw ate.
Ano po ito?
So, give me a good characteristic of a healthy school and community.
Office school and community.
Lively? Anyone? Yes, ate.
Everyone is respectful.
Perfect?
Nice.
Organized? Yes, Bob.
Building structure strongly.
Yes, very good. So that is a good characteristic of a healthy school.
Last one.
So last one. Okay, last one. So easy.
I know the answer.
So easy. So what is a healthy school and community environment?
Clean.
Give me 5 examples of a healthy school and community environment. Yes, ate. 5 examples of a healthy school and community environment. Yes, Bob.
Organized, safe, no discrimination, harmless,
Harmless, very good. So that's it. Ay, yun. Ano, tingnan? Okay, so palakpakan natin si ate. So, Okay, masaya ba tayo lahat?